I am Mr. Finance. Your favorite financial educator, the best of the best, the one and only Mr. Finance.
Remember to hit subscribe right now. Subscribe.
Good morning, everybody. You know, growing up as a kid, my mother always told me that, you know, show me your company and you can show me who you are. See, many of us got to realize that you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with or communicate with on a day-to-day basis. So if you hang out with 5 broke people, you're bound to. Why are you stressing? Why are you stressing? Did you know that you're too blessed to stress today? Did you know that? You're too blessed to stress. Why are you stressing? There's no reason. Let me tell you something. You need to become a warrior and not a warrior, okay? People that worry about things is people that lack faith. You're not a lack faith person. You're a warrior, all right? Stop dwelling in your failures. Your failures is just a result of you trying. Trying every day, all the time, will get you to the place where you could then get closer into victory. But if you dwell in your favor, in your failures, then you will never get to your favors. Stop dwelling in failure and focus on the favor. God's with you. Keep pushing. Keep fighting. You know what's your problem? You have everybody but you telling you who you are. You have everybody telling you who you are but you. You need to stop listening to what people tell you about who you are. Don't let no one tell you who you are. You tell yourself who you are every day when you wake up. I am a superstar. I am strong. I am loved. I am. You got to start saying your affirmations. Stop letting people tell you who you are. Get up with the mindset today and say, I'm going to win no matter what. Every day is a winning day. Every day is an opportunity to have a better day. What happened yesterday don't matter no more. It's what happened today that counts. So every day is a winning day. Wake up today as a winner. Go out throughout the day as a winner. And everything you do, you got to win. You got to win, man, like DJ Khaled. All I do is win. You got to win. Go do it. Perfection. Everybody wants to be perfect. Everybody wants to be perfect. When you hear the word imperfection, people get their nose all messed up and their face all cringed up. And you don't realize that imperfection means I'm perfection. You may not be perfection for everybody, but you are perfection for somebody. And it's not everybody. You got to remember, man, perfection is the word imperfection, which makes you. Did you know that you're a diamond? Did you know that you are a diamond? Let me give you a little story about a diamond, right? A diamond is a coal that is down in the earth. When you see a pure diamond, it looks like a dirty rock. But it takes someone very special with a unique eye to spot a diamond. And then you take that diamond, you polish it, and then you cut it, and you fit it in the right circle so the world could be showing off. You see, you got to realize that you're a diamond. You might not be in the right circle yet. You may not be in the right environment to get shown off. But guess what? Keep being the diamond. Keep being who you are. Because the right people will see you, discover you, shape you, mold you, put you in the right circle so that way they can show you off. Let me tell you something, man. God want to show you off. You just got to keep being a diamond. And you'll be discovered one day. Don't worry if it takes a long time. But the right time is your time. Do unto others as you want God to do unto you. Not do unto others as you want others to do unto you. Sometimes you're the blessing. Sometimes God is working mysteriously through you. So you could be the message, the blessing, the opportunity for others. Well, others are not in a position to do it back onto you. But God would never tarry his blessings for you. Keep doing his work. And you shall prosper. You shall win.
I am Mr. Finance. Your favorite financial educator, the best of the best, the one and only Mr. Finance.
Remember to hit subscribe right now. Subscribe.